Today, we're going to learn about a simple but powerful concept in sales and marketing, the lead. Lead means a potential customer. Lead generation is the action or process of identifying and cultivating potential customers for a business's products or services. Suppose you are a good artist who wants to sell your paintings online to reach global customers. You start selling your products on your website. Any person who wants to buy or add your paintings to their cart needs to log in first. Sam logged in and created an account. As soon as he logged in, Sam became your lead because he showed interest in your product. The login process is part of lead generation. He browsed your website and added one of your paintings to his cart. He may forget about the product in the cart. Now, you can follow up and remind him to take the next step. As soon as the person purchases the product, they will be your customer. If you found this demo helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and practical tech tutorials.